Hey guys, today we will be bombing kids in Animal Company. And here's our special guest, Reindeer. Let's go right. I'm going into a code right now, a random code. He's gonna join me. Just gonna wait for him to join. Okay.
Oh, never mind. I got it.
Ready for the ball! Oh, what's in my backpack?
Just take this. Hell no.
Money.
I get you.
Money time.
I will yeet and miss. No.
You're gonna blow up somebody, just ask me. Here, let me help you.
Hey, bye-bye,
No,
White.
okay.
Bye-bye, White. Bye-bye.
I'm also coming with you. I'm gonna actually
Hey, yo. Just do it. It's okay. Ow.
That was not very nice. Leave me a little bitch. I'm leaving the lobby, bitch. Game. Let me leave the lobby, bitch.
That wasn't me, just by the way.
Nigger.
There's another kid.
Sorry, YouTube.
Bro, won't even press the button.
Hello.
Where is that little kid?
Can anyone give me a bag full
Here
of
we go.
rocket
Sorry,
launchers?
guys. He can join.
Got him for you.
I'm just gonna grab my stuff and go into a new lobby. Bro, can you give me back my stuff?
No, don't go in safe zone.
Come on, man. You had to take my stuff, really? Come on.
He doesn't have red watch. He doesn't. He doesn't.
Blue, I really want that pink one. See
He
ya.
doesn't have red watch.
Enjoy.
Get it.
Get it.
Yeah, let's go.
An OG item.
Where are you going without the God's permission?
Where I go, you go.
Yeah, baby.
Thank you. Was it that hard to
Yeah.
the show? There was nothing inside.
Yeah, because I knew.
Back down now. Let's do this thing. No, let's empty it out.
Blue, are you?
Here we go. One more.
Buddy, you got it for your big girl.
I got you, yo.
Who wants?
Okay, I only have one more rocket to shoot them. Dead! See, do I have any more? we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Broccoli. I'll give you free. I'll give you free broccoli if you can use that boombox. Yeah, I'm a monkey.
Kill me. Blow me up. Blow me up. Blow me up. Come on. Blow me up.
No, because it's just gonna scare me. What do you want, Black?
Yeah.
Blow me up. Somebody blow me up.
Give me the
Please.
boombox first.
I'm just gonna take this with
Come on. Drop the grenade on me. Come on. Thank you.
My name is Black Monkey. Hey, use my backpack. It's not very
Bro,
today's technology
sorry.
I love you. Today
Here
I
we go.
be flying. Blackie. Give me a kiss, Blackie. Blackie, give me a kiss. Slay.
I don't know.
Aww. Blackie. I'm trying to do something, guys. Look what's fun. I found key card. Does anybody wanna go on a haunted mansion run with me? Okay. Nah, Bo. Wait. Let's come tiny.
Dude, I'm good at drifting.
Bro.
Come on, bro. Brother, you okay? Get.
I'm not.
Yeah. Got out of there.
Yes, I made it. Come on, we made it. Time to blow people up. Ready? Come on.
Toronto.
Another one.
Give me another one.
Pendejo.
Brother, give me another one.
Man, he's dead.
You're bigger than me. Come to computer if you want to be.
Give me another one. Give me another one. Give me another one. No, brother.
Is
Turn
Blue
the
dead?
TV off. Turn the TV
Brother,
off.
give me another one.
Okay.
You're bigger. Do it. Dare you. Bro, give me another one, brother. Now. Give me another one, brother. Been eating all broccoli, but I need to get stronger.
Here, take it.
I will die.
Take it. Bro.
Come on, get smaller.
Follow me, brother.
Come on. Come on. Okay, come back. I fell.
Brother, I just want to take my stuff.
Yeah.
Wait, where'd you go?
Did you add me?
Harry.
Quickly, go in rocket launcher.
Brother, I got your cuff for you.
Give it to mine. Let me see your name.
Now give me some broccoli. Give me some.
Alright,
Someone
bro.
give me one of a big backpack. Give me some broccoli,
Brown,
please.
join the code.
That's it.
Go join the code. I'll join
I
you.
had to blow myself up.
Why you do that?
Bye bye.
No.
Go join the code. I'll join you.
Oh, out of here.
Hey, you, do you want to join me?
Give me.
No, bro, you cannot be talking, little bro.
Bro, just join the code.
I can't let them take
Give me broccoli. I'll leave you now. Hey, someone give me a big backpack. Give me some broccoli, brother.
Take it, Jordan.
Can someone give me a big backpack? Someone give me a big backpack.
Can you stop?
Give me some more. I need some more.
Nuggets. Bro, stop.
I don't want it. Hello, cutie
Give me some
pies.
more. Give me some more, brother.
Hey, you.
Brother, give me some more.
You go.
What?
Can you give me a big backpack?
No, I'm sorry. I'm trying to do something right now.
Bro,
I'm recording a video right now.
Brother, I'm getting huge. Brother, give me some.
Yo, green. Bring me.
Brother, no.
Yo, green. Come here. Purple.
Give me some more.
Come here.
Brother, give me some more. Brother, give me some more. Give me broccoli, bro.
Bean cheese time. I'm
Where's
gonna
it
go
go?
blow them up.
Where did it go? Burger, brother, give me some broccoli. Need to get huger. Thank you.
Did they beat me to it?
Thank you.
No, you did.
Brother, give me some help. Brother, give me some help.
Give me some.
Bruh. Hey, skeleton.
Don't worry, brother, I am coming.
Are they dead? Are they dead?
You thought that would kill
thought you could kill me? Nuh-uh.
Disado.
Nuh-uh.
Disado.
Quickly, they're gonna come back up. They're gonna come back up. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm not wasting my ammo. He didn't.
That wasn't yours. Here, give me some more. Bro, give me some. That's the same size as me. Give me some. Okay, give me some.
Somebody come outside the safe
Give me
zone.
some more. Give me some more. Give me more.
Please tell me he died.
Give me more.
No.
Give me more. It's not that big. Give me some more, brother.
Tell me where purple is.
Brother, give me some more.
I'm in the
I
squid
want
of
you,
this,
brother.
everybody knows.
Brother,
I don't have any more,
Ice cream cream
I don't
and
have any
deep
more
fried.
things to get it for.
I need
looking for
more,
purple.
brother.
What?
I need more now. Remember, you can't kill me.
Brother, I want to feed you.
No! Help!
Yes, you missed!
I'm a beer nut!
Hey, let me be. Wait, bro, can I tell you something before you kill me?
What?
I'm trying to record a YouTube channel or YouTube video of me bombing people.
Shut up.
New server time.
Let's
go.
I already have that one.
Let's go.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Yes, thank you.
Yo, when I have that, nobody, leaves me. How do you get that?
Oh my gosh, no. Oh. I'm holding it.
Get out of here!
Wait, you don't have a. Hey, bro, cut.
Get ready to die.
Can you give me a rocket?
I'm screaming sword.
I want more rockets. Ready? Ready to go?
Who's over here? Who's over here? Who's in vents?
I'm coming for you. Where's the Where's Fred?
Hey, wait, don't shoot me. What the?
I'm not.
Do you guys want to? Hey, do one of you want to join me in bombing other people?
Yeah.
Wait, come on. One more. I gotta.
No, where'd my rockets go? Who's the guy? Where is the guy? I'm the guy.
No.
Where?
Come on, climb. It's time to climb.
Are you? Oh, there you are. There you are.
I didn't steal the rockets, alright? I did not steal the rockets.
Wait, you're not.
I'm just recording a
Who
video
did?
of me bombing kids.
Who killed me over there? Who killed
No.
me over there? Hey,
Nope.
can't get up. I'm not going to hurt you.
Bro, you just whacked me with a stick.
Can I please have that rocket? I'm not going to try and hurt you. I'm trying to go to hell. Wait, are you going to hell too?
Let me see you twirl.
Yeah.
Taking ass for the club to the whole world.
Let's go.
Bestie, I might ask both of y'all like bestie. Yeah, that's
Here, if you teach me how to go to hell, I'll give you this. Right.
baby girl. Let me see you dance. Let me see you twirl.
Dude, I'm so sorry. Use your rocket! Use your rocket!
Come on, I gotta keep on. I gotta do this.
I will get you rockets, okay? Stay here.
Oh no!
Have that one. Can I just have that?
I'm trying to go as fast
Stay
as I
over
can.
there for now. No. Fine.
What's that deal? 50 La fenomena mi tomara judoki. Puta tizia barasita. Uchina bis tu stalaki nepito.
Guys,
Rocket
hey you.
and run.
Hey you. Can I have another rocket? They knocked me off.
Say what?
They knocked me off.
Oh.
I already killed me.
Yes, I made it.
Thank you.
Come on. Oh, never mind. I'm out. Sorry, guys. The lobby's dead. The lobby. No, nobody's coming out. Wait, why is it so?
Wait, where's my umbrella at? It was supposed to be on top of my head.
Maybe not.
Chicken banana. Chicken.
Box me with only ogre fists.
Oh no! Mining
Not the ogre fist!
No. Let's go.
What's the free wagon?
Come on. Oh my gosh, that actually worked. How?
Or yeah.
Let me go get one more. I'm like Tyson Fury.
No, you don't. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Final one. Final rocket. I'm gonna make it count. Everybody, if you come out at spawn, I'll give everybody a very rare backpack. If everybody goes out at spawn, I will throw it, and whoever gets it, gets it. No! That was my final rocket. No.
Some people are gonna steal our
Who
stuff.
wants the
Come
box?
on.
Who wants the box? Me, Canelo.
Bro, give me back my RPG! Bro, I'm trying to record a video. It's my final shot.
Who wants the box? Me.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm actually serious.
Black, let's box. I don't care.
I'm done.
I do not care.
No, we have to join the private server. Click on banana. We have to join the private server.
Stuff for you so you
Stop exploding.
Wait, here's the private server if you want to go mining. No, you're my friend. Do you want to go mining? Wait, I want to go mining.
I'm trying to. You said you were the one that said.
Bro, why'd you take my stuff? Give me it
Who
back.
wants the box?
What's the war server?
Ow.
Is this a war server, guys?
Bro, why'd you take my RPG?
Bro, stop exploding.
Bro, give it back.
Oh shit. Here, I'll trade you a gun for that. I'll trade you a gun for that.
Me.
Yo,
Who wants the box?
All right,
I want to go to
that's
office. You
box.
want to go to office?
Let's box. Let's
That's
box.
actually insane, bro. I'm done.
Let's box.
Who wants the box?
If you want to go
Let's
to office.
box.
Alright, come on. Johnny Code.
All right.
To go mining.
Hold up.
I'm just gonna go into a different server, then just blow everybody up. Then I'll end the game, a video.
I like that.
I need to keep going. Stop! What the?
Yo. No, don't do that,
RPG
bro. And ammo.
I'm leaving. Bye. I'm leaving.
Trying to teach her
RPG and
Bro, you
ammo.
don't even take my
Where's the-
stuff. Why'd you
where's
take
the-
my stuff? I'm trying to
Yo,
do something.
Who has a quilt? Who has a quilt? Who has a quilt?
I mean, you kind of did have red mods, so.
You have a quilt?
I'm putting my RPG back in here.
Like the brown things? Do you have any? No one has any? Oh.
Bro.
Wow, I was trying to tell you something. Anyways, do you want to listen?
Yeah, no, I'm done.
Yeah, but why
Yo,
do you
guys,
want to listen? Heck,
I'm ending the video.
Yo, banana green. Banana green. Can I have a grappler, please? Yeah, sure. Go find one. Yo, go buy one.
Okay, everybody. Okay, that wraps up me blowing people up. So, bye guys.